Hi there. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Leo.
Nice to meet you. How are you doing today?
I'm doing fine, thank you for asking.
So, where are you from originally?
I'm from USA.
Cool. Can I ask how old you are?
Sure, I'm 20 years old.
And what do you do for a living?
I'm a student right now.
Are you busy these days?
Yeah, I've been pretty busy.
Or are you free right now, though?
Actually, yes, I'm free at the moment.
That's great. Are you feeling happy today?
Yes, I'm feeling happy.
Good to hear. You're not feeling sad, right?
No, I'm not sad at all.
You look a little tired, though. Are you?
Yeah, honestly, I am pretty tired.
Do you happen to know what time it is?
It's 8 o'clock.
Hey, what's this thing on the table?
Oh, that's just a book.
And what about that over there?
That's a chair.
Who's that guy standing by the door?
He's my friend.
And who's that girl next to him?
She's my sister.
So, where do you actually live?
I live in the city.
Do you like living there?
Yes, I really like my city.
What do you like to do in your free time? What's your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Or, you enjoy reading?
Yes, I love reading.
What about writing? Do you like that too?
Yes, I enjoy writing as well.
Are you into music?
Yes, I really like music.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I like soft, calm music.
Do you like singing too?
Yes, I enjoy singing.
How about dancing?
Yes, I like dancing too.
Are you a sports fan?
Yes, I really like sports.
Which sport do you like best?
I like football the most.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I enjoy movies a lot.
Do you watch TV often?
Yes, I watch TV sometimes.
What do you usually watch?
I usually watch the news.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a family.
Who's in your family?
It's just my parents and me.
Do you have any brothers?
Yes, I have one brother.
What about sisters?
Yes, I have one sister too.
Do you have a lot of friends?
Yes, I have quite a few friends.
Who would you say is your best friend?
My best friend is Ali.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like school a lot.
Do you study every day?
Yes, I study daily.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
Would you like to learn more?
Yes, I really want to learn more.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
And your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice.
Do you like fruit?
Yes, I like fruit.
What about vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables too.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
How about tea?
Yes, I like tea as well.
Are you hungry right now?
Yes, actually, I'm pretty hungry.
Are you thirsty too?
Yes, I'm thirsty as well.
You seem a bit sleepy. Are you?
Yeah, I am feeling sleepy.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready.
Is it morning already?
Yes, it's morning now.
Or wait, is it evening?
Yes, it's evening.
What day is it today?
Today is Monday.
And what day is tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Tuesday.
What's today's date?
Today is the 10th.
Which month are we in?
It's March.
What season is it right now?
It's summer.
How's the weather outside?
The weather is good today.
Is it hot out there?
Yes, it's quite hot.
Or is it actually cold today?
Yes, it's cold today.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I work.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I like my job a lot.
Do you work hard?
Yes, I work really hard.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I always wake up early.
Do you stay up late at night?
No, I don't sleep late.
Do you want to keep growing?
Yes, I want to grow more.
Do you want to keep learning?
Yes, I want to continue learning.
Are you proud of yourself?
Yes, I'm proud of myself.
Are you learning something new these days?
Yes, I'm learning something new.
Do you feel like you're moving forward?
Yes, I'm definitely moving forward.
Are you doing your best?
Yes, I'm doing my best.
Are you happy with how your learning is going?
Yes, I'm happy with my learning.
Do you enjoy speaking English?
Yes, I enjoy speaking English.
Do you enjoy practicing every day?
Yes, I enjoy practicing daily.
Do you love English?
Yes, I really love English.
Are you ready for more practice?
Yes, I'm ready for more practice.
Are you ready to learn even more English?
Yes, I'm ready to learn more English.